boy press. We back amara tadomba ku growth point kunzi nyama hobogo. Tadomba growth point yedu inonzi nyama hobogo. It's 7 kilometers ndizo. 7 kilometers away from here kubakumba. So as you can see tofambira musango. Murume ari kuzvira. Ina adonzidzoke baba. Andikwanise kudzoka. So yeah, man, make sure you stay tuned. You watch the video to the end. You like, comment, share, subscribe. We're gonna show you all the activities we talk about growth point. Taura show jokeria. So, but my activities about growth point. Pani bawa, my grocery shops. Diso. Chichi kwenye nanga ba. My baba shops. Pani petrol. Anze petrol simdudu. Simdudu do ube kunoko. Chichi ngofuthi. My baby and stuff. Let's go around here. Do you know about high school? Yeah, school. So you guys Pana boarding food. You pana boarding. Pana mabogo. Okay. Not found NG. So you guys let's go and watch Kuticho what it is. Tutorial them cheater banabo. Anyways, Dango, let's go and see what's popping. Zimunzi wasukubaya baya zvakafara rodi. Pavaro kuti. Pane mchi? Ndochicho. Chinoruma.
Kuona kana. Kana tesi zikona chini zikona bai.
Chibi.
Icho chichi.
Ichi.
Zvinonyama izvi. Kana kachibururuka kana kanonzi kana butterfly kana kainzi
munzi unozvahaka
bururuka kanombo kanamira kana kombo kabatwa chobata chocha zvinorama nayo
chorenge spider like
chinotoita chimutande chacho
choteva spider web
ndona chakabairira panapa chakadai
chino chatinamira kumeso
kachimwe chachona chikadzi chacho chirako ichi wachiona
chaparautonzvango
apa nzvengo chinochiparadza
uchoparadza
chichiparadza hachisi nhonzi
atibatwe baba right takapouya takatoenda zvinoirritata sewo izvo zvinoirritata zvakaya kumeso zvimaspider web so guys indo inonzi fodya chazokuradzai vhidhio rakazvimirira fodya iyoyi munozongoona masigarettes masigarettes nezvamba inobva imomo chakuradzai saa munoda to mumunda mawanhu munda kwao ndokwagore rino ndokwamuzata tikwenda ndokwamuzata toburira pachoruma toburira pabho alright so yes tasvika pane rimwe famu riri kunext enda tabuda nekumunda kwafodya kuro so ya tiri kufamba tiri kuenda tokuradzai as we go, so make sure you stay tuned and you watch the video till the end. Let's go. Kuya kuno. Wamadura fotu. Asaro no pira raskepo. Guys, that's what's up, man. Ngoma na rufamba. Kanda tsoka. Ngazoti ngatsve. Saka abuno musango. Panoona kuti masawa twangu. Takutorwa takadaro takaenda chimukata keyo takupinda gome zona ojaira kufamba pakashata apa itisenzera kudzokweyo Borova chete.
tanga kubuda unaona basi na unaona basi maji yani bwana mmoja umwana wa George all right George ndo timu yetu tunaona na mapema legend
yo amana tafamba 20 kilometers bana mawani nguruma no fambo aba kunushara kudzoka ikoko vanhu vakarimbira saka wakadzako ndodzokera Thomas wakadzako mafanizo right mana wane zero ratiri kufamba mana zero richadzoka vanhu vakanamwira hanzi kuno haiwa mamotobike muchikira wandoita chimudhudhudhu ndaskwira nezona kata ndikwire motobike futi ndakati ndikwire motobike futi yo makiro ndakataka mota kaprobox amana kana pamwe ari kuona neprobox sori zvako but hai mota ndakaimake yo yakashata mota kaprobox kakashata kamota amai vaitozama kugadzira shepekera sechezvezvo so mana hatasaura neabout 2 kilometers andika 2-3 kilometers kuti tisvike panyamaboko patokubaya so stay tuned and watch the video to the end. Don't skip the ads. Yebo, let's go. So this is one total picture of a crossing. Yeah, mana. Finally, Tashika. Hey, Tashika do sunset station there. Finally, nyams. Finally, mana. Sama do growth point ready. Apa paruwa kwa safe station kanyama apa. Garage wako hapa. Uno Zimbabwe warenze garage andika. Uno safe station. Pa service station baba. Mount Darwin Bazaar. Samana ndipo pa garage peda pa safe station. Paruwa kwa this business thing pana. Ndipo patinohumira panapa. Hapana kana panotoka kana kagoshi pana. Hapana. Asi pana patorowa gochi-gochira vanotikisa sadza vanotobika zvakanaka kunge pana inji samana vanzi panorowa sadza pana saka timbobaya timbonorowa 1 or 2 place sata roma piazza uye bemusato mai Mount Darwin Bazaar tasvikira pagrowth point ama ndopagrowth point vedu panapa and we're gonna show you the activity that we're gonna be doing today. It's so quiet though. Banana one. The growth point is cool, so I will show you what's popping, what's happening. So yeah, stay tuned. Tango. The growth point is Tishiripo. Tusaga bani saz. Bani shida. Mega sunset. So we're going to go on here. Ban. Sadza nembudzi pagrowth point. Sa umusha unonakidzwa mana nemarestaurant turi wasadza nembudzi amana pana drinks here mana ndodzokozetekwa patunas ndodzokozete paharara mana sikuwana restaurant nesadza nembudzi banani ndodzoka patunas vamana zvese zvikuwanika pagrowth point vatotadza kutotudzawo yaimudza kuti nyama yahadzi kana iwono tapedza kudya. Panapa tatombopinda panonzi Hotel Store. Timbousura maize. Timboona kuti zvinopera sei. Timborowa 1 or 2 mabhodhi kuti panoona kuti zvakamira sei. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned and you watch the video till the end. Ndomabawe kunokwa. So let me see you. Amana. Paita crisis panapa ichange. Tiunoratidza kuhumwa kana. Tingautadzire ngoma. Azvigoni. Vanhu vari kuvhunduka kamara kati $20. Ndokaushayirwa change. Asi kumeka sense. But rega tione kuti zvinopera sei. Timbokumbira apa. I think tonozonza foni yedu papa. Yedu mboona muzvamira sei. Asambanaki. Uyo amana. Tangurwa ma super triple growth point. Bora pata kukusa phone yangu akakuna. Bora pata kukusa phone hapo. Wabona? Uma growth point ide kunokwa. Tukurowa ma super. Yeah. All right, superb. Rama super man, silver growth point. And wash your hands, please. Shiripo growth point. So man, what's happening here is like it's almost midnight and we currently waiting for our Uber. Do you still remember my brother who picked me up yesterday pandakabva kuHarare? In my bike sikunoka ndo my Uber and to charge $5 to Ramon. So it's not worth it to take another person to take us home than to take my brother. So my brother is coming to pick us up here and we still at Growth Point. I don't know, man. I mean, it's super racing and roll. I don't remember. But I told my brother, I got 2 brothers. I told the other one that I came here with, we're gonna drink. Kusama dumbu arembera. Takambira nkomera rukuya tichafa nomwa tigoswera tichimwa. So guys, ndokutenda nekona kwamurikuita. If you're enjoying this village vlogs, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more and more content. Farm tour is coming soon. Make sure I stay tuned to this channel. Sorry guys, I don't drink. Don't mind this. But I have to do it, guys, to make the vibe and also to make the people that is around me. And you know, man, it's not nice to be like those that special. Looking for some wines and stuff, and so it's just we dance according to the tune. We do square and Zimbo, square and environment. So yeah, that's why I'm drinking this. But I don't drink. Anyways, guys, if my brother away up and up, I will show you our Uber to go home. It's a bike. We're gonna be sitting on the bike, the 3 of us. So make sure you stay tuned. You like the video, you watch till the end, and don't forget to subscribe. Tango, sending love from Mount Darwin, Marsh Central, away. You know what, guys? There's one lesson that I learned in life. I'm alive. There's no one who is special in life. You know what? Let me tell you this today, once and for all. There's no one who is special in life. Ukaenda kwa waenda, don't be too special. Let me see. Okay, guys. The lesson for today is ukaenda kwa waenda, don't act as if you are special. Chero wabva kwa Harare ukaenda kuma reserve. Don't think kuti vanhu kwa waende ko kuma balance, guys. There's nothing special about people who live in Harare. There's nothing special about people who live in South Africa. There is nothing special about people who lives in Europe. You understand? We all the same, man. We all know this. We all came from the poor background. That's why you see, even when I rap past my vlog, I will show you good rap past. You are not special. Just be humble. But and stuff. You understand? So guys, yeah, man. I'm that one guy who shows people real authentic lifestyle content. It's not that so many content creators they fake life. So many content creators they're creating fake love for fake couples content, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna show you the real content whereby I'm drinking super, the one that I can afford, and then there are other people that are spending a lot to buy wines and stuff, the ones that they can't afford. So guys, just be humble in life, man. Just be humble. I'm here in Mount Darwin, Growth Point. Why? Because that's what I afford. That's what's on the ground, man. We deal with what's on the ground. We don't fake, we don't force, we don't steal. Those repo ground, those repo. My bad. So guys, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content. If you are offended with this, you are free to buy me wine or champagne, the one that is expensive. But for now, we afford this. That's what we're drinking, guys. I love you so much. Thank you for showing. Thank you for whatever you're doing. The love that you're showing me in the We Wanna, guys. English is not my mother's language. My mother's language is Shona. I just want to thank you for all the support that you're giving me. So this is Farms Uber. This one. So they use bikes here. Let me come closer so that you can see. They use bikes here, as you can see. Duma Uber Gunowa. So I'm waiting for my brother to come and pick us up. So yeah, stay tuned. I bet you guys. Thank you for watching the vlog till the end. Please make sure you like, you comment, you share, you subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. This was the best experience. The best experience, the one and the most the best of the best experience that I've ever experienced. You understand, guys? This thing is really nice. It's really healthy, and also is food in drinking. You understand? I really enjoyed drinking this. Guys, do you know why I bought this? I bought this because I'm that type of a guy who deals with what on the ground. You understand? So now we're getting ready to go home. Of course, I can't vlog while I'm on the bike. The way I'm really scared of the bike is crazy, like really crazy. We take my basket to my motorbike, and I can't vlog. And maybe I'm just gonna show you Karatashka Kumba, but my phone is about to die. The battery is about to die. You understand? But I don't know the English is not English, but phone I got. So guys, please thank you for watching the video, and please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more farm content to come, more rural area, more rural content to come, guys. I don't want to disturb you watching this vlog, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching the vlog till the end. Make sure you subscribe, you like, you comment, and share. Away, let's go. Let's get easy. Dango.
Hello.
Zvazo mupira zeko, wodi azomutanga zeko.
Ita una wale teso ku nasi.
Apa wa kutamba ke?
Wazo apa ndasoma ngakupo. Ndilika. Ndili pana baka pana ndasoma vanhu vakupana.
Wa kumanino ko.
Pana una libe apa kuya so kwazi fumba sekule koko. Andizi. Ukuzelu.
Ngawo ba ku. Takaita baba. Zakuma 11 yes. Ma 11. Tikurova tiri mufamu. Zviuva. Dzungwa. Kota past 10. Titongo to 11. Vachasvika patizinza zakuma 11. Tikurova tiri mufamu. Indawo mafamu nomona asingatyi. Hauna na shumba kana chie. Amana, thank you for watching the video till the end. Mune mhuka dzemusango.
Nembwe.
Cheti.
Nguruve.
Nguru aiwira here, aitikwaze.
Aitwadze inotiza yona.
Jiri, inotiza munhu.
Inotiza munhu.
In tosvika padino kwa 11 ndiyo.
Yeah.
Tot. Samana, thank you for watching the video till the end. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Tito tuma atunya benebe nda. Tinorova ma super. Right. Ayo. Right. Sato abata mangwana bashika muchita se. Chinotera. Right. Takabaya padino. Choza zviko zvinotera.
Miti yese ndeyedu.
Yes, tampras made tama makara. Everything belongs to us.
This is our farm.
Makara, everything about here is 100 hectares.
Yes.
Rako 100 hectares. Shit. 100 hectares amana, 100 hectares makara farm. Zvese ndezvedu miti aziperi kungonhonga huni. Everything belongs to us. Samana, tokone mana mangwana. Siwapa farm tombowaradza farm racho. Aunofunga pamwe farm rechindirira daro. Towaratidza mangwana. So man. Thank you man for watching to the end. Kubatana mangwana. Tango.